is Epson EHTW 5650, the most classiest Full HD home cinema projector ever. Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Touchwood Automations, and today I am going to speak about Epson's flagship product, which is EHTW 5650. Now I know many of you have heard about this particular model or have been in two minds whether to buy this model or buy the earlier model, which is the 650 model. Now if at all you have got that budget wherein you can spend a little extra amount on a very decent projector, then my friends, you need to consider this particular projector. I can see many reasons, but I'm today going to give you top 7 reasons as to why you need to consider your Epson EHTW 5650 as the projector that you need to have in your homes. It can be in the living room, it can be in a dedicated theater room, but this is the projector that you need to have for your full HD home cinema viewing experience. Now, one of the very first reasons that come into my mind is obviously because of its contrast ratio. Now, this particular projector has got 60,000:1 contrast ratio, which is very astonishing at the particular price point that they have been offering at. The second reason why I see that this particular projector is a must buy for your full HD home cinema experience is that it has got something called as Miracast. Now, Miracast as a technology, you all would be familiar with it. It's basically similar to casting or mirroring your phones to a screen. Now, this particular projector has got that particular feature which makes you play your games on your phone, and you can probably cast that and watch it on a bigger screen. If not, if you're, let's say, just returning from a trip and you want to watch the photos online or on your bigger screen with your family, then I think that this is another reason that why you should have this Miracast technology, and this particular projector can give you or let you do that. Now, the third reason why I see that you need to buy Epson 5650 is that this comes with an app support which is called iProjection app, which means that you don't need to sit with the remote control. You can disregard the remote control, and all you have to do is open the iProjection app on your phone and use it as a remote control to control this particular projector. The fourth reason why you should buy Epson 5650 projector is that it has got a 2500 lumens lamp output, which makes it a projector which is compatible in your living room scenario with your ambient lights on, as well as you can use it in your dedicated theater rooms with your lights off. So that makes it an easier flexibility. Also, with that easier flexibility, they have also got a lens shift option in a vertical lens shift place. So they don't have horizontal lens shift, but they have got vertical lens shift, and they have got a 30-degree angle support for your projector placement. So it need not be in the center, you can place it a little bit in the sides, and that also will work fine with this particular projector. Now, the fifth reason why you should buy this particular projector is for its 2D to 3D conversion. Now, obviously, versus the 650 model, which does not have 3D at all, as we discussed in our earlier video, Epson 5650 not just have 3D, they also have something called as a 2D to 3D converter, which means you're watching, let's say, a Frozen movie on a Hotstar, or you're watching a Coco movie on your Hotstar, and you want to convert that particular movie because it's an animated movie. So you can convert that into 3D in this particular projector, and just probably add Epson 3D glasses, and I'm sure you will enjoy it in 3D as well. So that's the benefit of 5650, that you can convert your 2D content to 3D. I know this is contradicting to my statement that nobody uses 3D. Well, that is surely happening because the Epson 3D glasses are going to cost you a lot, which is around 6,000 rupees. So yes, whether to have them or not to have them is your opinion. But as a feature, I think it's a very cool feature wherein you can convert 2D movies into 3D and still watch it. Now with cinema halls closed, obviously there's not even a chance of watching any 3D content. But yes, this is the best way wherein you can do that. So that's the fifth reason for this particular projector. The sixth reason why you should buy Epson EHTW 5650 projector is because of its lamp hours. So basically, Epson gives you a guarantee that this particular projector can play for 7500 hours in an economy mode and 4500 hours in a normal mode. Well, if I have to watch one movie every day, which is of 2 to 3 hours, it'll take me 6 years to change the lamp. And you know what is the cost of this particular projector's lamp? It's 4899 only, which means that even after 6 years, the amount of money that you would invest in changing the lamp is not very high. So for that reason, I think this particular projector is worth the investment. Now, before I jump to my last seventh reason why you should buy this particular projector, I want all of you to do one small exercise. If you have already found this particular 6 reasons as very highly attractive reasons to buy this projector, make sure that you subscribe to our channel right here, right now, because we are bringing in such videos wherein we are helping people just like you make better decisions when it comes to buying anything or everything in a home technology space. So I'm going to wait here till the time you subscribe, and for those of you who have questions about this particular projector, make sure to use the comment section below. Share your views about this particular projector. If you have any questions, make sure that you're dropping them in the comments below, because I personally take time to make sure that I answer to all of your queries so that you are in a better position to make decisions. Also, I am sharing the link to connect with my team members who can also guide you properly. So there would be a link that would be pinned in the comment section, so you can use that as well. And if you want me to make more such videos on any particular such topics, you can feel free to let us know in the comment section too. Well, so these are the things, these are the 6 reasons. So let me just revise them for you. The first reason is its contrast ratio. The second reason is its Miracast technology. The third reason is the eye projection app. The fourth reason is the lumens. The fifth reason is the 2D to 3D conversion. The sixth reason is its lamp life. And the seventh reason why you need to consider this particular projector is because of its wide variety in colors, and not just that, it has got great modes like dynamic mode, it has got cinema mode, which are actually going to give you various color combinations on the screen based upon your environment. So let's say if you are placing this particular projector in a living room space, you would just want to turn it on to a dynamic mode and use it over there. If you are using it in a darker room, you would want to just go on to the cinema mode and use the projector in that particular mode. Obviously, these 7 reasons stand out apart from their regular features like split screen or probably their 3 LCD technology. But these are the 7 reasons why I feel that you can actually opt for this particular projector if at all you are looking for a good decent home cinema system, particularly full HD one. And the bonus reason that I'm going to give you is obviously Epson. Epson as a brand name has been market leader for last 13 years, and I'm sure that there has been a reason for them to consistently retain that number 1 position. And it's not just because of their great products, but it's also because of their great service. So irrespective of what location you are in India, I am sure that you will find an Epson service center within a distance of 50 to 100 kilometers from your space. So for that very reason, Epson can be a great investment, and you don't have to really worry about the service. So for these top 7 reasons, I would want you to consider Epson 5650 projector as an option when it comes to designing your home cinema room. If you have got more queries, as I said, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant, will see you in my next video. Thank you.